Health and diseases. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely absence of disease. The basic conditions of good health are balanced diet, personal hygiene, clean surroundings, clean food and water, clean air, exercise and relaxation, good economic conditions. A condition of the body or some part of the body due to which it does not function properly is known as disease. Type of diseases. The different types of diseases are acute disease, disease that occurs suddenly and lasts for a short time. Example, common cold. Chronic disease, disease that lasts for a long time. Example, asthma. Congenital disease, disease which are present since birth and are transferred from parents to offspring. Example, diabetes. Acquired disease, disease which develops after birth and does not get transferred from parents to offspring. Example, polio. Infectious disease, diseases which transfer from one person to another. Example, tuberculosis, TB. Non-infectious disease, disease which do not transfer from one person to another. Example, anemia.